a preview of boys' toys for moms. This is going to be a fun toy opening. This is Ninja Turtles and it's ages 4 plus, and this is Donatello. So let me see. I'm going to open from the back very carefully. And to be very careful, because sometimes this plastic can be dangerous for the little children. And take plastic out. Let's see. Okay, it only has one, so it's easy to remove. Has a little weapon over, and then here it is. Oh, how fun. It has the little purple band, and kind of from the back, and these things do not come apart, so they're stuck to the back, and it looks like it's a really good material, so you don't have to worry about breaking as soon as you take it out of the box. So it's really nice, and it has, let me see, it has on the hand you can place the little stick. Either hold it with the left hand or the right hand. That's it. And then if you want it with his hand, you can do it as well. Like this. Okay. Looks like fun. So this was the previews of Ninja Turtle Donatello. Okay, hope you enjoyed it.